It's an absolute pleasure for me to be here today, and I'm glad I could actually enjoy Ram Naumi and the start of Ram Naumi with all of you. I'm delighted, and I feel immensely blessed to be here this evening to celebrate the most revered and prestigious festival of Ram Naumi. I thank the members of the Om Shiv Shakti Ramayan Mandali for organizing this special event, and I warmly acknowledge all of you, the crowd in attendance today, and appreciate your devotion and commitment to spirituality. Ram Naumi, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most auspicious Hindu festivals celebrated by Hindus worldwide. It is observed as the birthday of the great Lord Rama, son of King Dasharatha. Many followers on this particular day do fasting and give thanks and appreciation to Lord Rama and seek his forgiveness and his blessings. Ladies and gentlemen, Lord Rama symbolizes courage, commitment and virtue, and something that was said today, and also love. He came to earth to destroy all evil forces. He was the embodiment of a perfect man, with qualities that are relevant and needed in our modern society today. Those qualities are similar to those that are taught by, I think, all other religions. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there are many messages that could be learned from Lord Rama's character, and these are: as a son, we should respectfully and lovingly obey our father's orders and our mothers, and I think he mentioned that today. And there can be situations in life, even when we should consider sacrificing our own comfort for our father's dignity and our parents' wishes. As a brother, we need to always remain loyal to our brothers. We should care for them and be ready to support them at every phase of their life. We should be a pillar of strength for all of them. As a husband, for all you ladies here, we have certain obligations and responsibilities, such as the protection of our wives. But there are times when one's divine path must even take precedence over the path of the householder. In addition, ladies and gentlemen, as a king, Lord Rama sacrificed everything, absolutely everything, for his people and for his kingdom. And similarly, we cannot always just be concerned and worried about our own comfort, our own convenience, and our own pleasure. We need to be thoughtful about the people who are in difficulty around us, and at times we need to make sacrifices in order to help them. And I think we in Fiji are very blessed, because all Fijians are actually gifted in helping others. When our forefathers arrived from India, ladies and gentlemen, they brought with them our rich culture and our traditions and religious values and virtues. And they've taught us our identity, and it is extremely delighting that we have carried on from them. Our gathering this evening marks everyone's dedication to holiness and belief in God. Ram Naumi, kirtans, bhajans and music has been echoing in every corner of our beloved nation for many, many, many years. I'm also delighted to see all the children here today who take so much interest in prayers and in religion. As adults, we have the responsibility to transit our knowledge, our religious knowledge, into the young ones, and what perfect platform we have here today to do just that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, also, in terms of our constitution, you must all remember that our constitution protects your right to worship, and it enables you to participate and be part of your religion freely. Therefore, it is important that we recognize and that we understand that we are all different and we should respect each other's differences. We need to be tolerant. We need to respect our diversity of cultures, religions, and economic backgrounds. And if I could borrow a phrase from what was said tonight, I think we all just need to learn how to love. The diversity enriches our lives and makes us a model community, locally and internationally. One of our strengths as a nation is our diversity. When we come together in unity, we actually unleash a real, phenomenal, great power of good. Our other strength, ladies and gentlemen, is the belief in God that loves each other and every one of us, irrespective of our ethnicity, irrespective of our culture, and irrespective of our religious background. That we are all children of God, and nurturing this spirit or this spiritual strength is actually crucial. Ram Naumi and other religious festivals have helped us to maintain that perspective in Fiji, and may it continue so. Ladies and gentlemen, Lord Rama, through various incidents of his life, taught the human beings what should be the ideal behavior of a perfect human being in the situations of loss and gain, and pleasure and pain. The epics like Ramayana and the Ramcharitmanas explain the real identity of Rama and the significance of existence on earth. Lord Rama has shown all that greed and desires do not get realized most of the time, and a ceaseless quest for them brings only frustration, defeat, and the end. Therefore, in the true essence of Ram Naumi, let us bring to practice the teachings of Lord Rama and become selfless individuals ourselves. This is also a time to reflect on all our actions and see how best that we can fix and mend our ways to follow the path that has been made by the Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, I once again thank everyone present here tonight, and wish you all a blessed Ram Naumi celebrations. And I thank you also. That was a lesson to me also. To all of you here today also, please remember, it doesn't matter how old you are, we don't know everything, but every day we should always consider ourselves lucky, because it is a lesson. We are lucky that we live in a beautiful country with such diverse cultures and religions, and we should all learn. And I think the one common thread that goes across the whole of Fiji is that we all should learn to love each other. I thank you very much, and I wish you all a wonderful Ram Naumi celebrations. Dhanyavad.